Hey everybody, Troy here, and today we're going to be looking at the 2024 Bowman baseball cards. Now these come 12 cards in a pack, okay? And of course Bowman and Topps are very well known in the world of baseball cards. They are kind of the industry standard when it comes to baseball cards, and this 12 pack is definitely something that I would recommend. Again, these are the 2024 Bowmans, and so these are the latest players. Obviously, there could have been trades during the year. You might find someone on a team that is no longer on that team and maybe got traded, but hey, I highly recommend if you are looking to have a stocking stuffer for Christmas for a child, or maybe it's for yourself. Check out the 2024 Bowman. Highly recommend it, and you really can't go wrong with the Bowman 2024 baseball cards.